What? What? You hit my door.
Yeah, I see. You want to get my number? You want to get the insurance? Hey. We merged at the same time.
I was in my lane.
I was in mine too.
No.
You merged at the same time.
No, same time. I was in my lane. You hit me.
We merged at the same time.
No, I didn't merge. I was in my lane. I was in my lane.
I got my camera. I don't swear no matter.
I have my camera.
No, the police. What you want to do? Hey, get my tag number. Whatever I get to him, it don't matter.
Share me your information. Hey!
No, you were on your lane. You were on your lane.
I was in my lane.
Yeah, call the police. Don't leave. It's okay if I miss the flight. Don't worry about it.
No, right now she thought that she'd used you up.
What was that? What?
What is he doing? Is he going to drive off?
I'm not sure what he's up to.
What are you going to do?
I don't know. I don't even know if this dash cam's fucking working. He's gonna drive off.
This way, not going to call 000. Go after him, get his ID.
Stop the collection efforts. If you're facing liens, levies, and wage shortages or years of unpaid taxes, even if you're already in a payment plan, we can help. Through special IRS programs, you may qualify to have your taxes settled for a fraction of what you owe. Tax relief helpers has helped thousands of taxpayers qualify for zero relief programs. Bring an 8 rating with American Business Bureau. No matter whether you or your business owe the IRS, call our tax relief hotline now. Jesus.
How do we save the stuff? She's gonna keep going. They ran off with her? Okay, let me tell the lady I have video.
That's the guy that was chasing.
I'm gonna go back and tell the lady I have video.
Oh my God! Oh my!
What? Oh my goodness.
Oh. Oh. Sorry, my language.
No, it's okay. Everyone's surprised.
No, he was overtaken too much. Oh my God! He's gonna hit that.
Does he just get out of the car?
Okay. They look okay.
Oh my goodness. I think we need to get away from them. Do we need to call the police?
Oh God.
Do we need to call the police?
Freaking hell.
Here we are, scene of the fire on North Grand. Last night, this car slammed into Bob and Rita's Tavern. Doesn't look like it was a good one. Give you a little shot of that. Poor bar just opened, MVPs.
That's the owner right there.
Where?
Back there, yeah.
Well, there's the car. Looks like it may have shot across that curb. Give you a little look here. Not a good car to be in.
You got out and ran?
Yeah.
We're not supposed to come to the yellow side. There's a thing on the other side there. We're not supposed to do that.
Where?
On the other side of the car. How can you miss that?
Wow. Man, he just missed that pole right there.
Yeah.
So he couldn't get out that door. He must have crawled out the window. There it is, guys. It was pretty hot.
Look at that. How fast he was in there.
So feel sorry for the people that just opened, but hopefully they got insurance to cover this and they can get this place back open.
Oh, golly. Oh! What the hell is this person doing? What the hell?